Good evening, Priya. Today I would like to explain Linux and shell scripting programming. So these are the contents I would like to explain. Linux is a operating system. It is a software, and software is a collection of programs. Program is a collection of instructions. Linux is a operating system. Operating system is a software. Operating system is an interaction between user and hardware. Linux is a free and open source operating system. That means freely available in internet. You can download and you can install in your system. Open source means you can write your own code and you can patch that code into existing software is called open source operating system. Linux came from Unix. Unix developed by Ken Thompson. Unix expansion is a Uniflexed Information Computing System. Unix is a multitasking operating system. The extension of Unix is Linux. Linux developed by Linus Torvalds. He is from Finland. He is a 16-year-old boy. Linux expansion is look into new version of Unix, and Linux provides a multi-user environment. Multiple users are working at a time, and Linux is a command-based operating system because for every operation we are using numerous commands, and Linux we are executing two types like scripting way and command based. Both ways we are executing, and Linux architecture is a structure which comprises the software and hardware components and connections among them. Linux architecture is based on a client server model. Client server model is nothing but a simplified version of the reality. Server providing the information to the client. Client is requesting information from the server. Then Linux consists of the kernel, shell and file system. So Linux kernel is the core of the Linux operating system. It is a heart of kernel is a heart of a Linux operating system. Kernel interacts directly with the hardware and manages resources like storage and files, records, etc. Then Linux file system is a collection of interrelated data, and that is called file. Files may be different types like linear files, random access files, sequential files, temporary files, binary files, text files, audio files, video files, etc. Linux uses a hierarchical file system, means there is a root system and followed by the child nodes. Common directories including home and etc. and variable. Then Linux commands are various types such as listing and change directory and present working directory. These commands are helping to navigate the system. ls means list the files and directories, and cp means copy command, mv means move command, rm means rename command for copying, moving and removing files. Directories are managed using making directory, and file permissions are very important in Linux operating system. We have three types of permissions like read, write and execute. Permissions can be changed with chmod. Then understand the Linux shell. Shell is an interface for interacting with the Linux system. Popular shells including bash and zsh. We are writing our own command, our own program. Then batch scripts are files containing a series of commands, and um, uh, one second, Amma. Join now if possible. Join now if possible. So bash scripts are files containing a series of commands. The first line is usually hash, not, slash bin and slash to specify the shell variables in bash. And bash allows you to create variables without to assign a variable, like var is equal to value. Var means variable. Then conditional statements are if, else, elif to handle condition execution. If checks a condition and else runs an alternate block. Then loops in bash. For loops iterate over a range of values. While loops executes as long as condition is true. Then the functions in bash, functions are nothing but self-contained block of statements to perform specific task. It allows you to group commands into reusable blocks. Define a function using function name and commands. Then redirecting input output in Linux. Linux uses greater than to redirect output to a file. Less than can be used to redirect input from a file. Okay, and you can see less than can be used to redirect input file. 1 second.
Okay, Anna.
One student joined. Let him listen. Okay.
Okay, Anna.
So far we have executed redirecting input and output in Linux, and we'll see the piping in Linux. So piping is a special concept, and the pipe or sends the output of one command as input to the another, used to chain multiple commands together. And today we are going to see so many programs, shell scripting programs using Python in Linux environments. How we are working with the text files. Use a cat command to display file content, and a grep command for regular expressions for searching for a text within files. Then if you see the small example program how we are writing in scripting, create a simple script to display hello world. So we are writing like this in a command prompt of Linux. Echo means display. Within the double quotation or single quotation you can write a hello world. You can use greater than symbol for display the file and a hello.sh. We are using a shell script. Same way, create a script to list all files in a directory. We are using command ls-1, that is listing the files. So like directory underscore listing dot shell. Same way, write a script to create a backup of a file. We are using cp slash source underscore file slash backup underscore location. So debugging is nothing but eliminating errors in a program. How we are eliminating programs in bash scripts? We are using a bash-x to run a script in debug mode. Then automatically in bash script prints echo, each command before executing. So these are the top 10 concepts in Linux and shell scripting today. I would like to finish 10 programs, and these are the 10 very important concepts like file system navigation. How in Linux operating system we are using this file system navigation, and what are the file permissions, how we are writing in Python in order to navigate and get the file permissions, read, write and execute. And process management. So process is a program under execution is called process. Thread is a tiny program. So collection of threads is called process. Process is a uh, heavyweight program, whereas thread is a tiny program. File is a collection of interrelated data. We have a number of file types like sequential files, random access files, and temporary files. and binary files, text files, audio files, video files, etc. Then text files, we are handling how to create a text file and how to manipulate and how to save, how to rename, how to move. So many commands we will see. Shell variables, variable varying value at runtime duration. How we are using these variable types like local variables, global variables, static variables, dynamic variables, external variables, etc. Register variables, etc. Looping constructs is nothing but we have three types of loops we are using. Especially in Linux and shell scripting, we are using a for loop and while loop for iterating number of times. Conditional statements are used to check the given statement is true or not by using if, elif and el. These are the commands. File redirection and pipes. So how we are redirecting one file to another file, and one input file becomes output of the another file. Then command line arguments we have I mean argument type, argument C, arg C and arg V, argument count and argument vectors. So then we have scheduling tasks. Okay, so the first one is a file system concepts. So we are navigating through directories, and managing files is one of the basic functions in Linux. So we are using commands like cd. So change directory. ls means listing files. pw means present working directory. So if you are executing in Ubuntu, yesterday we have seen how we are executing Priya. These programs we have executed. PWD, present working directory, and ls means listing the files. Then we are checking the cd, we are creating documents, and again we are checking present working directory, it is showing home, user and documents. Then navigates through the directories, listing the contents and printing the current directory path. Now a program for that concept, how we are writing a program. See here, write a Python program. Priya, can you read this program?
Write a Python program to demonstrate basic file system navigation
Ah.
in Python by listing the contents of directories, changing directories, and printing the current working directory.
Perfect. So for that program, the aim is, so we are listing the contents, and we are listing the directories, we are changing the directories and printing the current working directory. So for that one, we are importing the operating system, because all the operating system files we are importing. We are displaying on my system. Then simulate pwd means present working directory command. Print the current working directory, that is print current directory pwd colon within the double quotation comma os dot get cwd. So it can get current working directory with that command os dot. You know how to clear the screen of command line command line prompt, Priya, do you know?
CLS.
Very good. That is CLS is working in Linux operating system. Suppose you are executing in Python. Ramchand, can you remind me what is the two commands we are using to clear the Python command prompt?
Um,
Uh,
it's
import OS
yeah, import OS OS dot system
of means
s-
parenthesis begin, double quotes
yeah,
begin,
CLS.
CLS. Perfect. So that is the command we are using to clear the screen in command prompt in Python programming. I will show you today. Then simulate ls command for listing the files and directories in the current directory, that is cwd. Pwd means present working directory. So we are printing listing files and directories. Print os dot list dir. Then simulate cd command change directory os.chdir, we are listing the documents. It's a valid directory. Print, we are declaring. Okay. So now both of you, please share your screen now. So 1 second. Um Please share your screen. We are going to execute first program. Priya, both of you, you can share your screen. Okay. So notepad, Priya, you can share your screen so that I can see. And Ramchand, you also do the same program I am going to explain right now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, parallelly both of you, you can execute. Notepad space, you can give the file name Linux shell first program. Notepad space Linux shell.py. Okay. So now I am explaining the program. Please write down. Can I see, Priya, your screen? Yes. Can you make it big? Very good, Amma. Now write down. Now you can notepad. You have, yeah, CLS to clear the screen. Yes, your screen is visible. Fantastic. Now, no. First clear the screen, Priya. CLS. Perfect. Can you make it a little bit big? Okay. Control plus. Yeah, perfect. Enough. Notepad space. Linux shell. Linux shell.py. First program. Perfect. Enter. Now write down. Yes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Are you writing, Priya?
Anna, it is already written in the file.
No, you just everything you remove. Yeah. Yeah. Now you are writing. Who is sharing? Priya, you are sharing screen?
Yes, Anna, I'm
Ah,
sharing the screen.
okay. Write a Python program to demonstrate. Ramchand, you also write.
Yeah, I'm sharing the screen, sir.
Yeah. No problem. You can write. Write a Python program to demonstrate basic file system navigation. Basic file system navigation in Python. Write a Python program to demonstrate basic file system navigation in Python by listing the contents of directories, comma, changing directories, comma, and printing the current working directory. Printing the current working directory. That is the aim of the program. Priya, can you read whether you understood or not the aim of the program, please?
Write a Python program
Hmm.
to demonstrate basic file system navigation
Ah,
in Python by listing the contents of directories, changing directories, and printing the current working directory.
perfect. Now write down below that import space OS. Import space OS. So that means we are importing all the inbuilt functions of operating system. Priya, what is the answer of operating system?
It
Define
is a
operating
soft,
system.
it is a software that manages all the hardware.
Perfect, Amma. You can tell more technical like operating system is a interaction between user and hardware. Okay.
Okay.
Next statement, write down import OS. After that print parenthesis begin, double quotes begin, current space directory, within the bracket pwd, bracket close, colon, double quotes closes, comma, os dot get cwd, os dot get cw, single word get cwd is a single word, os dot get cwd parenthesis begin parenthesis close again parenthesis close. Okay, completed amma. Next statement, print, next print parenthesis begin double quotes begin slash n listing files and directories parenthesis begin ls parenthesis close colon double quotes closes parenthesis close. Next statement, enter, print parenthesis begin os dot list dir list directory, os dot list dir parenthesis begin parenthesis close again parenthesis close. Next statement amma, os dot chdr os dot chdr parenthesis begin double quotes begin documents double quotes closes parenthesis close. Next, print parenthesis begin double quotes begin slash n space directory space after space changing parenthesis begin pwd parenthesis close colon double quotes closes parenthesis close. Sorry,
Sir, could you repeat the last one? Print slash and directory.
Directory after changing parenthesis
Okay, sir.
begin pwd parenthesis close colon double quotes closes comma os dot get cwd parenthesis close parenthesis begin parenthesis close again parenthesis close, two times parenthesis close. Next, last statement write down, print parenthesis begin double quotes begin slash n space files space in space double quotes begin documents. Sorry, what you have written, can you could you repeat, Ramchan?
Files space in space
Double quotes begin documents double quotes closes space directory parenthesis begin ls parenthesis close colon double quotes closes parenthesis close. Next, last statement, print parenthesis begin os dot listdir list directory single statement os dot listdir parenthesis begin parenthesis close. Okay, save the program. Can I see Priya whether you are able to execute or not? Python space linux shell dot py, perfect amma. So there is a small mistake, can you rectify? Because the parenthesis, two parentheses you need to close in the above statement. No, go to program, yeah, second line, after import second line, third after import, can you check, you have missed one parenthesis amma. Line number, have you saved?
Anna, I haven't typed yet. I'm writing. Two
Okay,
minutes.
okay. One second. Ramchand, you execute.
Yeah, I'm just executing it. I'm getting an error.
What is that error?
Line number 8. Is it a PW is a capital letter, sir?
No,
Or
no, no. PWD correct statement. Directory after space you can give, that is within the double quotation, no problem. So you have done os dot get cwd. Why you have double quotes there? You just remove. Yes,
okay, got it, sir. This is an error, right?
yes, 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 yes. Get yeah. You have to remove and keep it after pwd parenthesis close colon. No, no. There you just remove. Yes. Go to front. Yes, there you can keep it. Double quotes, yes. Now save the program and run the program. Priya,
Anna, 2 minutes.
PWD, okay. Now save the program. Yes, yes. Ramchand, see, you haven't created any file so far. That's why it is showing. It's nothing. Your program is
Yeah.
perfect now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Can you share, Priya? Can you share your screen?
Anna, is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, yes. No, no, this is Ramchand, I guess. Ramchand, you can stop the screen sharing. Yeah, now it is visible. Can you make it a little bit big? Yes, now it is.
Is it okay, Anna?
Yes, yes, yes. Perfect.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
No problem, no problem. Oh, where you have written?
Notepad.
Okay. No, no, that is okay. So you
Last
have to.
line. Last line.
Yeah, yeah. So you have written yourself. Okay. List directory. No, 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 not like that. Parenthesis begin, parenthesis close, again parenthesis close. Os dot list dir open.
Mm.
Open parenthesis. No, no, that is correct. You are closing. Yes. Again one more. Yes. Control S. Make it big. Why your screen is very small right now? Yeah.
Is it okay, Anna?
Yes, yes. Save the program. Go to command prompt. Now. Python space linux shell dot py. Yeah, there is a error. No, 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 no. I guess you have executed, I think.
No error, Anna. I think this is the output.
Yes, perfect. You have created. Very good, Amma. So there are so many files are there in your system. So it displayed. Perfect. That means we are moving to next concept. Next concept is a file permissions. See, in Linux operating system, I am sharing my screen is visible right now, Priya.
Yes, Anna, it is visible.
Okay. File permissions, Linux. You know what is the expansion of Linux, Priya?
Look into new version of
Who
Unix.
developed Linux operating system?
Linus Torvalds.
Perfect. So Linux is a what type of operating system? Command based operating system and GUI based operating system. Okay. So
Okay.
Linux uses file permissions to control who can read, write, or execute a file. So we are using commands like chmod and ch change owner, change then permissions, then list hyphen one. So we are checking so many permissions: read, write, and execute files by using these three commands. So if you want to execute, you can execute in Linux dollar sign by default it will come. Use chmod 755 script.sh. Then you can list ls hyphen one l script.sh. It will display read write and read write xr hyphen xl user 1234 April 1st. Yesterday we have created. So 10 script.sh. So the file permissions, the chmod command changes file permissions and ls-1 shows the file permissions. For this one, how to write a Python program? See here, write a Python program to perform basic Linux file permissions.
Sir, I could not see your screen.
Okay, one second. Once again, I will share my screen. One second. Sorry. I thought that I have shared my screen. Resume. I will stop and again I will share so that you can see, I guess. Now my
Yes,
screen
sir.
is.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, write a Python program to perform basic Linux file permissions and ownership management commands. Those are chmod, chown, and ls-l using Python, allowing for changing file permissions, listing file permissions, and simulating ownership change for a given file. We are writing program here. See here. So second program, import OS, import stat, then create a sample file to simulate chmod and ls-l, file name equal to script.sh with open of file name comma within the double quotation write mode space as file colon file dot write, we are within the parenthesis double quotes begin hash. Hash is a comment section, keep in mind. Sample script content slash n for a new line. Next line it will print new line character, double quotes closes, parenthesis close. Then simulate the chmod command by changing the file permissions to 755 read write xr hyphen x os dot chmod of file name comma 0o755, then function to simulate ls-1 by displaying file permissions. Okay, now I'm creating second program. See here, notepad space 1. Okay, second program. Okay, see here. Now write down all of both of you. Share your screen. So Priya, you can share your screen. Ramchand, you can also. You
Yes,
can
sir. Yes.
yeah, you can write a hash. Write down hash. Write a
So
Python
1 minute,
program.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Yeah, Priya, you can open your notepad file. Okay, notepad space linux shell 1.py. cmd command prompt. Go to cmd. Write down cls. Clear the screen. Notepad space. Priya, are you doing or not? Hello, Priya. She's there or not, Ramchan? Check.
1
Hello,
minute,
Anna,
sir.
Anna.
Ah,
I'm sharing my screen.
yeah. This is the second program. We will wind up the class. No problem. Okay.
Okay, Anna.
Write a Python program. Can I see your screen?
Is my screen visible, Anna?
One second. I'm checking right now. Yes, your screen is visible. I think Ramchan the screen, I guess.
Yes, sir. I'm in the last line. The file
Okay.
name I'm typing.
Okay, okay. Linux shell 1.py.
Shell dot
Shell
shell
1.
1.
Shell 1.py. Okay. So this is new file. So let her share screen so that we will guide her. Ramchan, you and
Yes, sir.
me bigger than her, so that she will let her share screen. You stop
Okay,
your
sir.
screen sharing. I think you will write while explaining. No problem. Write a Python program to simulate. Priya, very good, Amma.
The basic Linux file permission and
And one
ownership management commands chmod,
chmod,
chown,
chmod.
and ls-l
Ah,
using Python, allowing for changing file permissions,
correct, correct.
listing file permissions, and simulating ownership change for a given file.
Perfect, Amma. Now write down. Import space OS.
Huh.
Enter again. Next line. Import space stat. Stat. Stat.
Okay.
Stat means statistics actually. Okay. Keep in mind.
Okay, okay, Anna.
Next line. File name. Single word. File name. All small letters only, Amma. Keep in mind. File
Okay, Anna.
name equal to double quotes begin script.sh, script.sh. We are creating a one file name is a script.sh file name. Okay,
Okay, Anna.
double quotes closes, enter. Next, with space, open, parenthesis begin, parenthesis means left bracket, parenthesis
Mm.
begin, file name, comma, double quotes begin, w, double quotes closes. That means write mode. Double quotes begin, w, double quotes closes,
Small letters
parenthesis
only, no,
close.
sir. Small
Huh?
letters only. No?
Ah, write mode actually. Parenthesis close, space, as, yes, as, space, file, 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 colon, enter. Next, one tab space you can give. Below with you can give one tab
Oh, Anna.
space. Ah,
Okay, Anna.
file dot write, file dot write, 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 parenthesis begin, double quotes begin, hash, sample script content, sample space, script space, content, content space, slash n, double quotes closes, parenthesis close, enter. Next statement, os dot chmod, parenthesis begin, file name, comma, 0 o 755.
00755.
Yeah, single word అదంతా single word. 0 o 755 parenthesis close.
Okay.
Next, next enter. def, we are creating function now. Def space ls underscore l underscore permissions, parenthesis begin, file underscore path, parenthesis close, colon,
Sorry, sir, file underscore.
file underscore path, path,
Okay.
parenthesis close, colon, enter. Now you need to give one tab space. Below definition, you can give one tab space. You have to
Okay.
start up below ls hyphen, start below file underscore stat
File underscore stat
equal to
equal to
os dot stat,
os dot stat.
parenthesis begin,
Mm.
file underscore path,
File underscore path.
parenthesis close,
Okay,
enter,
Anna.
enter. Now again under file underscore stat you need one tab space you can give, you write down file, you need to start file underscore stat below exactly, file underscore
Okay.
permissions, write down file underscore permissions,
File underscore
permissions
permission
equal to
equal to
stat dot
stat dot
file mode,
ఏంటన్నా
file mode, file mode, file mode,
file mode
parenthesis begin, file underscore stat,
file underscore
stat dot
dot
st underscore mode,
st underscore mode.
parenthesis close,
Okay.
enter.
Mm.
Now you need to start below underscore permission again. Next statement, print.
Should I give a tab space or should I continue, Anna?
No. Below file underscore permission. You already you have given one tab space na print. You need to start below file underscore permission. You need to start print statement. Print
Okay, print.
parenthesis begin
Ah.
f small f
Ah.
double quotes begin
Mm.
file permissions space
Mm.
space for statement, right on for
Mm.
space flower brace begin file underscore path
Okay.
flower brace close colon
Okay.
colon colon space flower brace begin there itself file underscore permissions flower brace close file underscore permissions flower brace close double quotes closes parenthesis close
Okay.
enter again you need to start below print only one more print statement print
Print.
parenthesis begin f small f I will explain why we are using f. Okay,
Okay.
small f double quotes begin file space details colon space flower brace begin file underscore stat dot st underscore
Thank you.
file underscore stat dot st underscore nl n link
Anna, Yenna.
n link
Okay.
flower brace close
Okay.
space flower brace begin file underscore stat dot st underscore uid st underscore uid completed
Yes, Anna.
flower brace close again enter you can press enter you can write a flower brace again there are three more statements are there continue with that flower brace begin again file underscore stat dot st underscore gid flower brace close completed next one more flower brace continue flower brace begin file underscore stat dot st underscore size
ST underscore.
size
Okay.
flower brace close just give space again write down flower brace begin last statement there itself flower brace begin file underscore stat file underscore stat dot st underscore m time st underscore m time flower brace close double quotes close parenthesis close. Very big statement, print statement. Ramchan, completed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Next, last but one statement. Write down. Print. So below print only. No. Under definition, you can write print. Under definition, print. Parenthesis begin. F. Double quotes begin. Space changing space file permissions changing file permissions space for permission space for for space flower brace begin file name flower brace close space 2 to 755 dot slash n double quotes closes parenthesis close enter. Next last statement ls
Sorry, slash n parenthesis close.
no slash n double quotes closes
Yes, sir.
parenthesis close, that's all, parenthesis close enter. Next last statement ls underscore l underscore permissions ls underscore l underscore permissions parenthesis begin file name parenthesis close. Okay, that's all. So this is the program of performing Linux file permissions. Can you save the program, Priya?
Yes, Anna, I did.
Very good. Can I see whether you are able to execute or not?
Okay.
Yeah, control yes. CLS clear the screen. Now you can execute. CLS to clear the screen. Execute. Ramchand, you have given as file. That space you need to give as. Yeah. Before as you need to give space. After as space you need to give the file. Yeah. Save the file. Now still errors will come because you haven't seen. I am showing my program. You can check now. See. You can check.
Can you share the screen, sir?
Yeah, 1 second. I'm sharing my screen. Priya, you can check my screen. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, Anna.
1 second. Resume. Yeah. So resume. Now, can you see my screen?
Yes, Anna.
So you need to write like this. Now you can check with your file. Import OS you have written correct. Import stat you have written correct. File name equal to script.sh with the open parenthesis begin file name comma w as file. Then file dot write you have written correct. Then os dot chmod. See with below you need to write this statement. os dot chmod of file name comma 0 755 Then you need to write function. Now see the function. Def ls underscore l underscore permissions file path. You have written file underscore start this statement. After that statement for file permissions, then print statement you have completed. Then print again one more statement. Then this, no need of this one. Next, this one also you have completed. See now. So then print this statement completed ls. Now save the program. Check your program. Have you written correct, Priya? Like this.
Yeah. 1 minute, Anna.
Can you check your program? Ramchand, now you can verify.
Yes, sir. I'm just verifying it, but still I'm getting an error. Let
No,
me just
which
show you
line?
the
Which line?
error.
Line number maybe. No, I
Yeah,
will
this is the
guide
error,
you.
sir. Line number 11, there is an error.
Where? What type of error? See here.
File underscore permissions
Hmm. File underscore permission.
equals to
Start.
start dot
Dot
file
file
mode.
mode. Parenthesis begin. File underscore stat. Dot st underscore mode. That's all. This one. This statement. My screen is visible.
Uh, no, sir. Should I stop sharing?
No, no. Wait. I'm resuming once again. Yeah. Now you can check.
Yes, sir. Yes. Everything is right only, but
Now printf statement maybe above or below. Now check.
okay. Import start. Okay. File name. Okay. Total is file. Okay. File dot right. Okay. os.ch mode. File name. Okay. Def ls underscore a underscore permissions. Okay. File underscore start equals to os.start file underscore path
Correct. That
file
statement.
underscore permissions. Should I give space in between permissions equals to start?
That is not a problem. That is not a problem.
Printf file
Printf.
permissions for file path.
Priya,
Anna,
where is the error? Show me your screen so that I'll guide you.
oh, 1 minute, Anna. Let me execute.
Yeah. Check and check my screen where you have done mistake.
Undetermined string literal detected at line 5.
Hmm.
Undetermined string literal detected at line 13.
Now see this program. What you have written. My screen is visible.
Yes, Anna, it is visible.
Hmm. Then you check line by line. Ramchand,
Yeah,
any
I'm
error?
still searching for the error to be resolved. I'm trying.
Okay. Can I share this file to your WhatsApp?
Yeah, please,
Okay,
sir.
Anna. Okay, Anna.
I'm sharing. 1 second. So let me execute first. Python space. See Linux shell. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
No, unterminated f string literal. 1 second. Line number 15. Something I have deleted.
See, control is it. I think the file does not have anything. Control is it.
Yeah, I'm checking. Now see. 1 second. I'm executing now. Python space Linux shell. Yeah, now it is coming. See now, file
Oh,
permissions. Yeah, Now I'm sharing this file to in your WhatsApp.
Okay.
You can copy paste and you can run the program. One second. Ramchand and Priya. Now try to execute. Now share your screen.
Yes, sir. I mean, there was an
Anna,
indent error for me. There
Ah,
was an indent error. I corrected it.
oh, very good. Now can you share your screen?
Yeah, I'm sharing it, sir.
Priya, you can
Anna,
copy. What is the error?
I haven't received the code.
No, I have shared it through WhatsApp.
Oh,
I think you might have sent it to me, but without no
No, no, no.
no. I think it went to somebody else. I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct. Now I'm shared. I have shared. Yeah.
okay, Anna.
Okay, Ramchand, you can share your screen. Meanwhile, now it is coming.
Yeah, for me, without I mean, I corrected it by seeing the indentation.
Okay. So now you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Your screen is visible. Perfect. Now you can stop the screen sharing. Uh,
Anna, I also got the out.
Share your screen, Priya.
Anna, is it visible?
Yes, yes, yes. Now can you execute? Yes.
This
Perfect.
is the output.
Yes, yes. Now I'll stop here for today. Tomorrow we'll take same time. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.